Hi, thanks for joining us at I Can Make Shoes. Today we're going to be doing an introduction into 3D design. So today we're going to show you the basics on how to do 3D shoe design. What you'll need is a shoemaking last covered in masking tape, a pencil and an eraser. So we're going to start by putting in our guidelines at the front. All you want to do is put a little mark at the front and then create a line that goes right down the middle of the last. These lines are just to be used as a guide, so don't spend too long getting them exact at this stage. The next line that we want to have in there is our back height point. So a general rule of thumb in footwear is about a finger's width from the top of the last. That's a really good starting point. Okay, so most people get to this stage and then just have a bit of trouble getting started. I'm going to draw a few really basic designs on here just to show you what it should look like basically. So I'm going to start with a court shoe because that's the easiest thing. I usually start by drawing in the front section here and getting it nice and wide. And then from my back height point, I just want to basically bring a nice straight line down, following the natural curve of the shoe. And when you get to that area, this is the only part here that you really need to join up. So if we join that up there like that, and I'll just make that a bit darker so you can see it. So that's how the court shoe should look on one side, obviously. Now we're going to turn it around and we're going to do the other side. So again, we're going to join the back and just get a nice straight line down like that and joining it up here. So I'll see if I can make that a bit darker for you as well. Okay, so if you have a look at that from every angle, that's now a basic court shoe. Very simple. If I then wanted to say turn this into a peep toe design, I'd quite literally draw in a peep toe. Okay? Just like that. So that's now a peep toe design shoe. Let's say I now wanted it to be a slingback. I'd quite literally draw in the slingback. Okay? So you're starting to get the idea now of whatever you want the finished shoe to look like, you need to draw in at this stage. So this is obviously a very basic starting point. There are other things you can do, which I'll show you on the other side of the last here. If you wanted to say have some kind of Mary Jane strap that came across the front, you'd need to mark that in there like that. If you wanted to have a T-bar, you would need to mark that in there like that, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the I Can Make Shoes YouTube channel for more detailed videos on pattern making.